In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install that is project management system script. So after downloading this script, I go straight to my dashboard. That's my cPanel. Here is my cPanel. For my cPanel, I go to my file manager. So for my file manager, I go to my subdomain. This is my subdomain I want to use for this testing purpose. So now I've already uploaded the script. Here is it. So after which I'm going to extract it. Extract files. So now after extracting the files, I click on close. I open it, then select all, then move to the root folder. Then I click on the up one level. Now I've uploaded my script to my file manager. Next, I go back to my cPanel, then to my database, my SQL databases. So let me name my database as this. Then I click on create database. I've successfully created my database. Then I click on go back. After creating my database, next I'm going to create my user. But please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If this video is helpful, use the link in the description to buy me coffee. Use the buy me coffee link to buy me coffee. So now I'm creating a user. Let me say this is my user. Okay. So next I click on create user. Go back. Next I'm going to add my user to my database. It has already selected this for me. If not, I will click on this to select it. Then I click on add. I give up privileges. Then I scroll down to make changes. Now let me go to my subdomain. Enter. Database name. Let me come back here to copy my database name. Copy. Control paste. Control paste. So my database name is this. I'm going to fill in this. Let me say admin at example.com. Okay. Then next I click on install. So I lose connection, the network went off. So let me refresh. Confirm. So let me just log in. Login. Now I've successfully uploaded my script to my cPanel. As you can see, to install this script or customize it, kindly use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you install or customize the script. Thank you. And don't forget to please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If this video is helpful, use the buy me coffee link to buy me coffee. Thank you.